Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. A lot of confusion out there in IPO market. The market has been flooded with multiple number of IPOs coming together, and there has been a mad rush for subscribing to those IPOs also. So, investors, retail investors, they are having a double whammy now. The first problem is that where to invest, and the second problem is how much is to invest, especially when you have very limited capital for investing in share markets. So, I am also facing the same issue, and this is the only channel where you will get very honest reviews from a perspective of retail investors who is just like you and having the same problem like all of you out there. So please watch this video, and I'll try to explain this from the perspective of retail investors. Hopefully this will be helpful to you. Now, this is not a recommendation to subscribe or not to subscribe on this IPO. This is just my perspective, so please listen, watch this video up to end. Let's get started. Today we'll be doing the review of Azad Engineering IPO Limited. If you go to their website is very informative, and it explains about the kind of sectors it is in. They're into aerospace, defense, energy, oil and gas. All are buzzing sectors. We have seen how these the listed companies of sectors like defense, energy, and aerospace, they have been performing for the last 2 years now. Oil and gas have also done well. They have also explained what kind of products they are doing on their website. What are their capabilities? What are the accolades they have earned? Then who are their clienteles? That is also very important. If you want to check about they have their investor column where you can download financial information of group companies, audited financial, everything is there. So please check the website also, apart from going through the DRSP prospectus. Now let's see about the issue. The issue is total issue is 740 crore. Out of these, 240 crore is fresh issue, and 500 crores are for the offer for sale. Uh, this is open from December 20th to December 22nd. Allotment will be finalized on December 26th, and IPO will be listed on December 28th. The price band is 499 to 524 rupees. 524 is a price where you will be applying for. Otherwise, that you just even don't even think about getting allocation. Minimum lots is 28, so you will have to invest 14,672 rupees under retail investor category. If you are applying in a small NRI category, you have to cough up 205,408 rupees, and for big NIIs it is 1,012,368. Axis Capital, ICICI Securities, SBI Capital, and Anandrati are the names associated as book running lead managers of this IPO. These IPO details we have already seen. If you see this we have also gone through. Lot size we have seen. Now, who are the what are the reservations? So for anchor investors, 30% is reserved. QIV portion is 20%. NII 15%. So retail it is 35%. So 4 lakh 4,916,021 shares are reserved for retail shareholders. So the promoter they are having 78.61% currently, but post listing they will be having 56.38%. The promoter of the company is Mr. Rakesh Chopra. Now, if you'll see about the company, it is incorporated in 1993. Azad Engineering Limited is a manufacturer of aerospace components and turbines. The company supplies its products to OEMs in the aerospace, defense, energy, and oil and gas industries. Their products are highly engineered, complex, and mission critical and vital. So uh, they're having a kind of insulation from the competition because uh, they are producing something which is very technology oriented and which is very patents also there. So they have four manufacturing facilities in Telangana, Hyderabad. The facilities are capable of producing high precision forged and machined components. The company is also planning to set up two more manufacturing facilities as Tuniki in Siddipet district, Telangana, and Manangpet village in Sangareddy district, Telangana. So the fresh capital will raised, that is 240 crores, will go towards these two facilities, and 500 crores is going to the existing investors. It is headquartered in Telangana. So let's see their financials. So it is the financials are restated and they're consolidated. Revenue has increased by 31.24%, and PAT has dropped by minus 71.24% between financial year ending 31st March to 23 to 31st March 2022. So if you'll see the assets from 21 to 23, they have increased. The assets are good. Revenues have also increased. PAT is okay. There was a decline somewhere here, but again it has picked up. And mind it, this is for the half year only. So that is also very positive. Reserves and surplus, they have been increasing. Total borrowing is a cause of concerns, because now you can see there has been kind of uh, fourfold increase in the past 2.5 years. So that is a concern for the company. The company has promised that part of this IPO proceeds will go to reducing these borrowings also. If you see the P ratio, it is if this one is correct, I doubt this is correct, but if this is correct, this is very high. The other peers, if you see the other peers, they're trading at much relatively much cheaper valuations, 67, 88, but here it is quite high. Well, I will say post PE it will be 57.58, 57.58. Then it will be somewhat reasonable, still comparable to their other existing investors. ROC is good. ROCE is also good, 12.99%. Debt equity ratio is not that much comfortable, but since they promised to reduce their debt, I hope in the coming financials it will be better. Well, now, what are the objectives of the issue? The objectives, as I told you, they will be investing some of their this money into funding capital expenditure of the company. They will also be repaying and their debt part or full, and then general corporate purposes. So this is about Azad Engineering IPO. Now, my take on the IPO: the IPO is good. The valuations are looking comfortable, and the company is in a very high demand sector where the future growth is also visible. So we can go and subscribe to this. Personally, I am going to subscribe to this IPO. Please pray for me that I get the allotment. If this video is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe to this video, and stay tuned for more updates on the IPO market and economics field. By the time, take care and bye bye.